Hello and welcome to Consumer Education. I am so excited to take you through this course. This is a course that is the fundamental knowledge you need to be a good citizen and pay your own bills and your taxes and save money, etc. So this class is really important just for overall well-being of your finances in your future or even right now. So the purpose of this course is to help students like yourself understand how to be a responsible consumer on a daily basis. The primary goal is to develop character, habits, practices, and skills that will help you be a better citizen as well as consumer. All right. So we've designed the class as it's in a module format and everything is housed on Schoology, and you'll submit everything on Schoology, participate in projects, discussion boards, etc. And the modules include, and they go from start to finish. We'll start with consumer rights and responsibilities. We'll move into taxes. We'll go into budgeting. We'll talk about credit, identity theft, and then we'll end with insurance. And just so you know, this course does meet the consumer education requirement for graduation. So it is very important that you are completing your assignments on time, asking questions, and participating in all class activities so you do pass, so you can graduate. We have 4 general learning outcomes, or what we want you to get out of the course. And we want you to be able to apply the rights and responsibilities of consumers to specific situations to determine a course of action, which you probably have already done if you work or you make purchases with money, etc. Or maybe you've seen your parents do it, so you'll become more familiar with that. You will learn about the decision-making process to implement a career and set financial goals. So that will be a learning outcome for you after completion of this course. The third is to explain the U.S. tax system. So we'll talk a lot about taxes, how to do them, the different types of tax forms, and you might be familiar with them if you have a job. If not, you'll learn and it will introduce you to the world of that. And lastly, you'll apply principles of money management, which everyone needs money to live, obviously. You'll make budgets. We'll talk about credit, investing, and insurance. And that is Consumer Ed in a nutshell. We are super excited for an amazing quarter. Good luck. And if you have any questions, let your teacher know. Thank you.